If you have an iPhone and you want to FaceTime with an Android user, the good news is that it can be done, although the process is a little bit clunky. Because Android doesn't have the FaceTime app, they can't call you, but you can call them, and that's actually the requirement here. iPhone user needs to be the one who starts the call. In FaceTime, you'll first tap New Call, and then instead of choosing a contact to call, you'll tap the little green button to create a link. This will generate a link to my FaceTime call, and I can share the link to allow non-iPhone users to join the call. I'll copy the link and then text it to my friend who's using an Android phone. After that, I'll go back to FaceTime and I'll open and join the call that I just created the link for. We'll now wait for the Android user to join the call. Our Android friend will get the link like this, and when they tap it, the FaceTime call will open in their browser. If you're familiar with Zoom calls or Teams or WebEx, etc., this whole process is pretty similar to those type of calls. The Android side will need to give the browser call access to their microphone and camera, and once those are all done, they're ready to join the call. At this point, they'll usually see a message saying, "Waiting to be let in," which means the call doesn't start automatically, and the iPhone user now has to manually go let the Android friend in. On the iPhone side, we can now check the link settings, and you'll see there's one person waiting. I'll tap Join, and the call finally gets connected. It might take a second for the video to get going, but after this, you're officially on a FaceTime call with an Android user. Because the Android user is doing this through a browser, they won't get access to all the standard FaceTime features like screen sharing, reactions, or SharePlay. And like I said earlier, the Android user cannot start the call. Pretty complicated, and definitely not a very smooth experience, but it can be done. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.